no jumper, no Santa, no family. But let's see how we can make this day work. This is going to be the Christmas where I have no chicken. Wow. Shining all on me, see the presents underneath the good old Christmas tree. We don't like till Santa comes to wake me from my dreams. Oh, why? That's Christmas to me. Hola! Hi guys, hope everybody's doing great. So, starting off this vlog is the 24th, Christmas Eve. Last minute is about 4:35 p.m. and I've decided to finally get something done for Christmas, because initially I didn't feel like doing anything because I'm far away from family. I was just down, I'm alone. But I finally decided last minute to do this. So I've just booked an Uber to go to the Sulphur Shopping Center, because tomorrow I found out the shops are not going to be open tomorrow. People are very serious about Christmas here. So I am heading out now to get something. So hopefully we're going to cook tomorrow, see what else we can do to make it fun. So come along and spend Christmas with me. Hello. Hi, Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Not bad, but
You getting ready for Christmas?
yeah, I just decided to do some last minute shopping right now.
Oh, you going shopping now?
Yeah. Initially, I wasn't feeling like celebrating because I was just down. I'm far away from family, but I finally decided, okay, I'm going to starve to death. And I just heard shops are not going to be open tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah, then most shops will be locked, right? Because tomorrow is Christmas.
Yeah.
So I want to rush because the Sulphur Shopping Center closes at 5:30. If I'm not mistaken.
Fine. Tesco also.
Yeah.
You have both Tesco.
Now this is Tesco Express. The other Tesco is the bigger one.
Tesco, the big one. The big one, you know?
Yeah. There's Tesco.
Shopping center, yeah?
Yeah. And Aldi as well.
There is Lidl, Aldi.
Yeah. Everything is and the African shop is there as well. Yeah.
Because it's still, you know, there is time now.
What about you? What plans do you have for Christmas?
Yeah, I will spend with my family.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Good for you.
We get a big family, you know.
Yeah, just eating together.
Brother-in-law children,
Oh,
sister-in-law children.
yeah, so everybody just comes
My children
together.
is nearly grown up now.
Yeah. Do you have grandkids?
No. But the, you know, like brother-in-law, sister-in-law children, you know.
Yeah.
So they get used to get together.
Yeah.
Like every time, you know, when there is birthday, we get together. So I really be happy with the children, you know.
Yeah, it's nice. It's time for family, just bonding together.
Yeah.
Yeah, sharing.
So of course, so maybe this is gonna be my last job, or maybe one or two more. That's it.
Yeah. Because it's really about family now. Everybody.
Yeah, because they are getting ready now. You know,
Yeah.
for
Just
Christmas.
preparing stuff now.
Christmas dinner.
Yeah. Oh, thank goodness it's plantains. I just finished from the African shop. I'm rushing now to Aldi. My god, the cost of living crisis is crazy. Like, at first, 3 plantains for £1. Then it became 2 plantains for £1, and now 1 plantain is 60p. Nah. Oh my god. And milk, everything is just oh my god. I wanted to get oxtail, but like just a small pack is $8.99. Anyway, I got turkey instead, so I'm just going to rush now to Aldi, get the rest of the things, then just Uber back home. Whew. Oh my god, guys, I can't even find tomatoes. Like, all the tails are empty. Oh, look at this. Looks like they bought everything. Nah, this is crazy. Guys, I said let me update you. It looks like they announced lockdown and I didn't know, or something, because all the tails are empty. Like, everywhere is just empty. It's like people bought everything. This is going to be the Christmas where I have no chicken. Wow. So I just came to the shop and I cannot find chicken. No drumsticks, no wings, no nothing. It is what it is at this point. We'll just see what I'm able to make out of the things that I got already. These are the things that I got. So let's just see. It's crazy. I feel like crying, but I'm just laughing at my situation. Oh my god. Christmas and no chicken? Yeah, but I got turkey anyway. Everything is empty. This thing used to be 55. Now it's 65. Ah. I was also thinking of baking tomorrow, just to make something small, but guess what? No eggs. I just got in some more juice. I don't know what next to do. Shops are empty. The last people of Christmas are the ones that are here now. open the potatoes. Hola, good morning, guys. It's officially Christmas, so let me be the first to wish you guys Merry Christmas. Okay, so it's officially baby Jesus's birthday, and I'm here. No jumper, no Santa, no family, but let's see how we can make this day work. Yes, I've got Jemima with me. She's always here. And I also have my flowers. Okay, so at least I've got some people with me. So guys, what I have planned for today to just make it memorable and get to also spend some time with myself, even though I would have loved to spend it with family or friends and stuff. So today I'm going to cook. I've decided to cook ndole. It's one of my favorite dishes, if not my favorite. Then I'll just set up a little cute table. I also got a drink and maybe we'll watch a movie or something. Yesterday you guys saw I did like last minute shopping and all that. So just come along with me and spend the day with me, okay? Merry Christmas, guys. Love you. Mwah. So guys, the plan right now is to listen to some music, clean up my room. Oh, come let us adore Him, Christ the Lord. Come my faithful, Lord, come my faithful. The first Noel, the angels did say, was a certain good shepherd in fields as they lay, in fields they lay. Oh, music is life. And Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel. Well, Noel, 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 shining all on me. Presents underneath the good old Christmas tree. We don't like till Santa comes to wake me from my dreams. Oh, why? That's Christmas to me. Children play outside like angels in the snow. Mom and daddy share a kiss under the mistletoe. And we'll cherish all these simple things wherever we may be. Oh, that's Christmas to me. It's finally time to cook something for Christmas, and today I'll be making dole. It's a Cameroonian delicacy, one of my favorite dishes. So for protein, I'm going to be using oxtail, some smoked turkey, crayfish, and shrimps. It's really easy to cook if I do say so myself. So I use just peppers. Bitter leaf is dried, so I just soaked it in water for a bit. I went ahead to season my meat just with all-purpose seasoning, some cubes, onions, and that's basically it. And then I started steaming it. I went ahead to boil my granite and I blended it together with some garlic and onions. Then I also used white pepper when I was seasoning the meat, and that's it, no other ingredients. Then I went ahead to boil the groundnut that I had ground earlier, and so you just let it boil until it's cooked properly. You mostly see it producing some oil when it's cooked properly, and it has like all the water has been drained from it. I proceeded to add my washed bitter leaf. So even though it was dried, and my mom sent bitter leaf for me from Cameroon, even though it was dried, I went ahead to wash it again, and then that's what I use. So you're just going to mix that together. Then you chop some onions, and if you want to add shrimps, that's optional because I'm aware not everybody eats shrimps. You preheat some granite oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil in the pot. Add the onions, just so it's really nice and it brings out the flavor. Then you just mix everything together, and that's it. And you can go ahead to eat this with plantains, yams, anything. You can eat it with semolina, you can eat it with bobolo, everything. So this was my Christmas meal. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and let me know how you spent your Christmas. If you want any detailed video of the recipe step by step, do also let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next one. Mwah.